My client deserves a loving and supportive home. My client deserves some hope in his life.
A transgender teen's grandparents are fighting to keep custody of their grandchild, who badly wants hormone therapy.
They are the only family members that have provided acceptance and support that most probably kept this child from taking his own life. Excuse the melodrama, Your Honor, but these people are heroes.
Cincinnati Children's diagnosed the teen with depression, anxiety, and severe gender dysphoria. Counselors had been treating him, but according to court documents, his parents pulled him out to seek a Christian therapist. They also forced him to listen to Bible scriptures for 6 hours at a time.
The child has stated, I don't want to go back home. When I was home, Dad chased me around the house. When I was home, I lived in terror.
Today, the parents pled their case to a judge, wanting to ensure their child wouldn't begin transgender hormone therapy.
Pretty much everything the parents say or don't say is taken out of context, twisted, exaggerated, blown out of proportion, and then improperly used against them.
Attorneys for the teen say the child cried and screamed in the fetal position when seeing his birth name on documents, and that the best option is to hand custody to his grandparents.
Your Honor, what we want to do in the coming months, around May, is plan for a high school graduation. Throughout the summer and fall, plan for entrance into college. We don't want to be planning a funeral.
Now, closing arguments wrapped up around 4 o'clock this afternoon. The judge telling us tonight she plans to have a decision no later than February the 16th. Reporting live downtown, Amanda Kelly, WLWT News 5.
A transgender teen turns to Hamilton County for help and is now in the middle of a custody fight.
That battle is between the boy's parents, who want the 17-year-old in Christian therapy, and the maternal grandparents, who would allow him to get hormone therapy. 9 on your sides, Kristen Swilley joins us with both sides of this argument. Kristen?
Yeah, good evening, guys. That teenager is currently living with his grandparents, and that's what everyone involved wants. But the parents aren't willing to give up the legal right to make medical decisions for their child.
My client deserves a loving and supportive home. My client deserves some hope in his life.
A transgender teenager says there were 2 options. His father told him to kill himself. His mother insisted on Christian therapy.
The parents in this case do not desire to parent their child. They merely have a desire to parent a child who, in reality, no longer exists.
But today, their attorney argued their child's identity may just be a phase.
Isn't it more likely that this gender confusion is just a place to park her anxiety?
And they think therapy comes with more risks than rewards.
The belief that hormone therapy or sex reassignment therapy would help patients who have gender dysphoria is based on hope, not science.
But attorneys representing the grandparents, the state, and the teen argued time is running out.
The more we delay this, the more chance there is of suicidal ideation.
They say the teenager is improving while living with his grandparents, and the parents are holding the teen's future hostage.
Your Honor, what we want to do in the coming months, around May, is plan for a high school graduation. Throughout the summer and fall, plan for entrance into college. We don't want to be planning a funeral.
Now, Judge Sylvia Hendon says she plans to make a decision in this case no later than February 16th. Kristen Swilley, 9 on your side.